Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create diamond crosshairs in Valorant. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to launch your Valorant application on your device, log into your specific account as well. Then after click on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to your settings, select settings. Now go to the section of crosshair, which is between controls and video in the top. Then go to the primary section from the top, which is beside the general. Now you need to select your crosshair color. Make sure that the outlines is turned off and center dot is enabled. Set the center dot opacity to 1 and thickness to 4. Now go to the inner line section and here set the opacity to 1 as well. Set the inner line length to 1. Inner line thickness to 4, and inner line offset to 2. Disable the movement error option. Go to the fixing error and turn it off as well. Scroll down and go to the section of outer lines and enable it. Set the outer line opacity to 1. Also set the length to 1 as well. Thickness to 2 and set the offset to 3. Disable the movement error. Go to the firing error and turn it off as well. And close the settings. And in the case, if you want a small diamond crosshair, you need to go to the crosshair section, click on this edit, and here disable the outlines, enable the center dot, opacity 1, thickness 1, go to inner lines, enable it, and set opacity to 1, length 1, thickness 3, and offset to 0. Then turn off the movement error, also the fixing error, and go to outer lines, enable it, set the opacity to 1, length 2, thickness 1, and offset 0. And then I'll disable the movement error. Also disable the firing error. Now you can see my diamond crosshair enabled. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.